everyone, I'm Emily Ho from District 89. In pathways, each path there are 5 levels, from the fundamentals to demonstrating expertise. So what do we need to do when we have completed a level? Let's find that out together.
In pathways, in each level there are a number of projects required. For example, in level 1, there are 3 projects: icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, and researching and presenting. So 3 projects are required to complete this level. For level 2, you can see that 3 projects are needed. For level 3, 1 mandatory project as well as 2 elective projects are needed to complete this level. For level 4, 1 mandatory project and 1 elective project. Level 5, 1 mandatory project and 1 elective project. And after completing all level 1 to level 5, there's a path completion where you will need to work on or reflect on your path project. So what should we do after we complete the projects within a level? Here you can see that there's a tick next to the project which we have completed. So after completing these 3 projects, there is a button next to level 1 completion. Click activate, and then you can see it becomes launch. Then we click again. There is a pop-up document showing that we can follow the following steps to start the approval progress. We shall be clicking on mark complete. Then later we can see that it will change the status to pending completion approval. Then we can ask the VPE as well as the club president or the secretary to approve our project completion. And then after the base account managers, which are the VPE, the president or secretary, have approved your level completion in the level, the status will be changed to complete, and then you will be able to see that you can fill your certificate there. We go back here and then we can click mark complete. And you can see that the status has changed to pending completion approval. So as mentioned, you can then inform your base account managers, which include your club president, VPE, or secretary to approve your level completion, as well as submitting your education award in Club Central to update your TI record so that there is an update on your TI title to show that you have completed level 1 in pathways. At the same time, you can already go to level 2, and then you can start read your level 2 projects and plan for your next speech.